4 killed in anti-government protest in Baghdad. Iran sentences US spy to death. 118 civilians killed in Syria in September. Watchdog. Iran says ready to receive Saudi with open embrace. Saudi Arabia rules out Iran talks on war-torn Yemen. Egypt speaker pressed political and media reforms. Attack on Mali army camps kills 25 troops and 60 missing. Somalia, 2 former presidents form new political alliance. Indonesia, 250 injured, 649 detained in Jakarta riots. Bangladeshi police arrest 45 suspected Rohingya. Afghan peace process, Taliban and US envoy visit Pakistan. India government to bring new citizenship bill for refugees.